Dear students, now fourth question which is remaining from the last video, we are completing the exercise 1.2. While completing this question, now fourth question is like this: write with reasons which of the following are sets are finite or infinite. There are mainly two types of sets. The set which is having element should be countable, that is called as a finite, and the set which containing the elements which are uncountable, they are called as it is called as a infinite set. So we'll see one by one what should be the answers of these given questions. First question is given: a set A is equal to x is such that x is smaller than 10 and x is a natural number. X is a natural number. So we know the natural numbers less than 10 are like this: set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, because it is given in the condition x is such that x is smaller than 10. That means smaller than 10 all numbers are countable. So set A is finite set. Finite set is the answer. Now question number 2: why is such that? This line implies so many times I am explaining such that. Why is such that? Y is smaller than -1. Y is an integer. The condition is given y is an integer. Integer means what? From number line 0 toward the left side, -1, -2, -3, -4, these numbers which we are counting towards the left side of the number line toward the 0, it should be uncountable. That's why the set B is infinite set, because there are uncountable integers are present. So this set B is infinite set is the answer. Now what is set C? C is set of students of class 9th from your school. So dear students, we are in 9th standard and we can easily count how many students are studying in standard 9. That's why set C is having countable elements. That's why it is called as finite set. Very easy. Now fourth question: set of peoples from your village. Now dear students, you are staying in your village, so there should be countable peoples. So we can count the peoples while doing some collecting some data and collecting the data from Gram Panchayat office. So we can know the population of our village. So that population we can count. Therefore set of peoples of your village is finite set. Whichever set containing the elements can be countable, these are called as a finite sets. So next question is what? Set of apparatus inside the laboratory. Now dear students, in our school there is a science laboratory. So many apparatus, the things we are using during the science practicals, they are called as a apparatus. Apparatus are also having one register inside the science laboratory and it can be countable. So this set is also a finite set. Now last two questions: set of whole numbers. Now set of whole number is an infinite set. It is infinite set, because the set of whole number is counting do not terminate at any stage. We cannot stop the counting of whole numbers. That's why these elements are uncountable from the set. So set of whole number is what? Finite set. Now last question from the 1.2 exercise is what? Set of rational numbers. Now set of rational number, there are infinite rational numbers present. Therefore this set is also called as a infinite set. This set is also infinite set, because rational numbers are so many, there are so many rational numbers, we cannot count these rational numbers. That's why we can say that this type of set is also called as a infinite set. Dear students, follow the video and try to solve it your own notebook, and if you are having any problem then contact me